आई थिंक ये सबके लिए जैसे ही पेपर होगा, सब सारे पेपर की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. सो गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. I am going to
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
share my screen now. We have started binary tree in the last class, and we have discussed about the definition of binary tree, okay, various properties of binary tree and types of binary tree, which includes strictly binary tree, complete binary tree, full binary tree, extended, skewed, and similar and equivalent binary tree. All these we have discussed. And at last, we have also covered the representation of binary tree, which includes sequential representations using array, and which also includes the linked representation using the nodes. Is it okay till now? Any question if you have, you can ask. Otherwise, I can move ahead on to the next topic, that is binary tree traversal.
सर 1D एरे से कुछ वो थी सर. वो कल
बताइए.
अंजलि ने पूछा था ना, वही क्वेश्चन था सर.
Okay, you just repeat the question. I have not remembered that thing. You repeat your question.
सर क्वेश्चन तो मुझे भी ध्यान नहीं सर, पर 1D एरे से हम नॉन लीनियर कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि एरे तो लीनियर है ना. ये था शायद क्वेश्चन कुछ.
You see on your screen, a tree is given A, B, C, D, E, F. It is a non-linear form, but its array representation is also there on the screen. We have used an index. Sorry, we have used an array, and on the specific indexes, we are placing all the elements of the tree into the array. For that, what I need to do, I need to number every node that I have discussed, I think, on that day.
यस यस, 5 दिया था.
So
ध्यान आ गया.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I need to number all the nodes.
6.
Considering it कि it is a full binary tree. Nodes हैं या नहीं है, ऐसा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. Like suppose कि the left child is also there of f, say k, right child, sorry. Okay. Now, what will be the size of that particular array right now? Can anybody tell me?
7.
What will be the size of this particular array that we are going to use for the, sorry?
14.
Why 14?
Sir, 8.
Why 8?
8 होगा ना सर, क्योंकि
8 क्यों होगा?
Because we are assuming it to be a full tree, no?
Okay, 8. Why 8? Who says 8 actually?
Sir, 14 I said.
सर मैं कह रहा हूँ.
हाँ, 8 कैसे कह रहे हैं आप बताइए एक बार.
सर
और भी कोई
0 से स्टार्ट है ना, 7 एलिमेंट तक तो इंडेक्सेस आ गई. आपने के भी इंसर्ट कर दिया,
तो ये किस इंडेक्स पे जाएगा? k will be at which index?
7 इंडेक्स.
k will be at 7 index. Very good, शाबाश. और कोई इसको और मॉडिफाई करना चाहेगा?
Sir, 14 index.
k will be at 14 index. K will be at 14 index. How?
Sir, because according to the condition of full binary tree, we'll assume that every node DEF will have subsequently 2 children. So, sir, D will have 2 children, then E will have, and 5th node, since we don't have, but we'll assume it to be a full binary tree. So we'll consider 2 children of 5th node also, and then F will have a subsequent left child also, and then K will be the right child. 14.
Very good. So
सर नहीं हो तो ये फुल ट्री नहीं हो तो?
फुल ट्री तो है ही नहीं ना, अभी
भी कहाँ है? ना फुल ट्री.
यस, अभी भी कहाँ है फुल ट्री बेटा? ये अभी जैसे अब जो आप ट्री देख रहे हैं A B C D E F K, इज इट अ फुल ट्री?
नहीं तो सर.
तो फिर इसको हमें फुल ट्री मानना पड़ेगा पहले. वी हैव टू अज्यूम इट. सो लाइक आई हैव अज्यूम्ड दैट पर्टिकुलर C for C, I have also for like left child of C is something. I have assumed that. Actually, it is not there. That's why I have put over there null value. In index number 5, I have put the null value. Okay. Similarly, if one node, even if one node is there at that next level, okay, next level पे, इस लेवल पे कितनी नोड्स होंगी मैक्सिमम बताइए? इस लेवल पर कितनी नोड्स हो सकती हैं? ये मेरा क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट है. 8. It is 4th level. 0 1 2 3 2 to the power 4. 4 matlab 8. Sorry, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, third level. So it is 2 to the power 3, 8 nodes will be there. Okay. So now what we will do actually, we will like assume that every node has two childs. This will also have, this will also have, this will also have, this will also have. Even if this node will also have two childs, and this will also have two childs. In this way, it will become a full tree actually. Okay, now it will becoming a full tree. So for 3, it is like a children is there. We have assumed it, but the value of that children is, value क्या है in children's की?
Null.
Null है.
नल
So
कुछ
what
भी
we will
एलिमेंट
do, so now you can see that 6, now it will be 7 index, it will be 8, it will be 9, it will be 10, then 11, then 12, then 13, and then 14. So size of the array will be 15 actually. 14
15
plus 1, it is 15. So last index जो 14 यहाँ आएगा, उस पर वैल्यू आएगी k. Okay, from 7 to 13, all the values will be
नल
null values. So in this way, this will be represented using the array. So even if I
ओके
have
सर
only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nodes, instead of having 15 values, I have only 7 values, or 8 values will remain null. Still, we have to use the array of the size 14. That is the drawback of this array representation. Okay, like in skewed tree,
ओके
definitely
सर
in skewed tree, always half of the array will be filled. Yes or no?
यस सर
So that is how we are representing an array using array, and we have learned some formulas also, like we can directly calculate the child's position if some values index is given. Okay, in linked representation we have also seen. Now we are coming on to the traversal of a tree. What do you mean by traversal? We are starting actually the operations of tree now. So tree, what is traversal?
So traversing each and every node.
Accessing each and every node at least once. Okay, so we need to display, like in stack we have used display function, in queue we have used display function, in linked list we have used display function. What is the use of display function? Display function is used to show all the nodes or
एलिमेंट
all the elements of a particular data structure. That is a one kind of traversing. Okay, traversing means कि हम हर नोड को एक्सेस कर रहे हैं. अब वो एक्सेस चाहे डिस्प्ले के लिए हो, वो एक्सेस चाहे मैक्सिमम फाइंड करने के लिए हो, वो एक्सेस चाहे मिनिमम के लिए हो, वो चाहे एवरेज के लिए हो, व्हाटएवर इट इज, हर नोड एटलीस्ट एक बार एक्सेस हो रही है. सो नाउ फॉर ट्री, अब तक जो हम यूज करते थे, दैट इज लाइक हम लूपिंग यूज कर लेते थे, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक स्पेसिफिक लीनियर मैनर में एरे होता है. हम लीनियर मैनर को प्रिंट करवाने के लिए हमने लूपिंग यूज करी हुई है, from 1 to n, from 0 to n minus 1, and so on. Now there is something else that we need to learn about for non-linear data structures. So traversal is the process to visit all the nodes of the tree and may print their values to may print. It may be for other kind of operations also. So all the nodes are connected via links. We always start from the root node first of all. Be careful about that. Always we need to start from where? From where we have to start?
Node.
रूट नोड
Root node. Like an array, we have started from 0. From for stack, we have started from top. For queue, we have started from front. For linked list, we have started from start. Similarly, for the root trees, we will start from the root. Okay, now there are 3 different ways for traversing a tree: in order, pre-order, and post-order. ये नाम कहीं आप already पढ़ चुके हैं?
यस सर
Yes, sir. Infix, prefix, and postfix.
Yes. Now I have discussed one application of binary tree actually, we can say, as mathematical expression representation. वो पुरानी पीपीटी में थी, फर्स्ट पीपीटी में थी. So expression representation is one of the application of tree also. So our mathematical expressions, whether it is of the form in order or pre-order or post-order, the tree can be used to represent those mathematical expressions. We will see how actually, and corresponding to that different kinds of mathematical expressions, we have actually 3 different ways to traverse a binary tree. That is in order, pre-order and post-order. Okay, so we will learn one by one all the 3 traversals. Okay, so first of all, look at that. What does the traversals order of the nodes in the traversals will be? Order of the nodes actually. Please listen the words. Orders of the nodes that have to be traversed in pre-order, in order or post-order. So order क्या होगा? Pre-order में हमारे पास order क्या रहेगा? Root node, then left node and then right node. In order में order क्या रहेगा? Left, then root node and then right node. Post order में order क्या रहेगा? Left, right and then root node. So these 3 orders are based on what? बताइए, ये 3 ऑर्डर किस पर बेस दिख रहे हैं आपको?
प्रीफिक्स, पोस्टफिक्स और इनफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन पर.
वेरी गुड. और उसके अलावा मैं अभी ये पूछ रहा हूँ, ये जो मैंने पढ़ा है इन 3 इस स्लाइड्स के थ्रू यदि आप ऑब्जर्व करने की कोशिश करें, सो हाउ यू कैन रिमेंबर दीज 3 ऑर्डर्स? I have highlighted that thing also in this slide.
Root, sir, root.
So position of the root will let me know कि ये कौन सा order है actually. If the root node is prior to both left and right, then it is a pre-order. If root node is lying between the left and right, it is a in order. If root node is after both left and right, then it is post order. Remember that the sequence of left and right will never change. आप तीनों स्लाइड्स में देखो, ऑर्डर जो है लेफ्ट और राइट का एक सही है. लेफ्ट हमेशा राइट से पहले आ रहा है. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
यस सर, लेफ्ट राइट से पहले आ रहा है.
रूट की पोजीशन डिसाइड कर रही है कि वी आर यूजिंग प्री ऑर्डर और इन ऑर्डर और पोस्ट ऑर्डर. इज इट ओके नाउ? सो नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द प्री ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सल. प्री ऑर्डर मींस रूट, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. सो आपको ये याद भी रखना पड़ेगा एक्चुअली. इसको आप शॉर्ट में कैसे याद रखोगे? शॉर्ट में याद रखने के लिए आपको लिखना पड़ेगा आर, एल और आर. इसको आप ऐसे याद रखो एक्चुअली. मैंने जो तरीका याद लिखा हुआ है, नोड, रूट को मैं नोड बोलता हूँ एक्चुअली. नोड, देन लेफ्ट एंड देन राइट, NLR, राइट, लेफ्ट, नोड एंड राइट. एंड इसके लिए हम लिखेंगे राइट, लेफ्ट, राइट एंड नोड. इट मींस क्या होगा इसमें जब भी आप ट्रैवर्सल करोगे. तो अब मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने दो एक छोटी सी चीज. जैसे कि ए एक ट्री है, सॉरी ए रूट है, बी एक इसका लेफ्ट चाइल्ड है और सी इसका एक राइट चाइल्ड है. इज इट ओके? इज इट अ ट्री?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
अब
sir.
मैं अब इफ सपोज आई विल आस्क द प्री ऑर्डर, इन ऑर्डर एंड पोस्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस, सो व्हाट इट विल बी एक्चुअली? सो फॉर दिस ट्री प्री ऑर्डर विल बी, कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी?
ABC.
Yes. First of all, what we will access? Root. So display में सबसे पहले root आएगा, then उसका right child, left child आएगा, sorry, and then उसका right child आएगा. So ये इसका pre order हुआ. In order क्या होगा?
BAC.
B A C
B, B, A and
C.
C. So left node सबसे पहले आएंगे, then root node access होगी और फिर right node access होगी. तो हम कैसे याद रख रहे हैं? We need to remember that in pre-order, node will be accessed first of all. On which node you are, it needs to be right first. Then only you can move into the left. And once its left subtree overs, then you need to move into the right subtree. Now I changes the word, not the node. I am now talking about the subtree. Because every time we will not have this kind of expression ABC. We will have a subtree actually. Okay, same in the case of in order. What happens? First of all, node at which node I am actually, जिस node पर मैं हूँ, that node will not be accessed till its left subtree will not be completed. That's why I am saying कि left part सबसे पहले, then node will be accessed and then its right subtree will be accessed. What about the post order?
BCA.
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 First left node, left subtree, then right subtree,
फिर
जब दोनों
root
खत्म
node.
हो जाएंगे पूरी नोड्स, तब आप इसका रूट नोड लिखेंगे. Is it okay now? That is a very basic example, and I think it is easy to learn like how we are writing the orders, pre-order, post-order, and order traversals of a tree. Now we will look into the algorithm parts and some more examples actually. Okay, so pre-order means root left and right, node left and right. So the recursive portion of this particular traversal can be written in this way. The pre-order traversal of a non-empty binary tree is defined as follows. Visit the root node first, because it is a pre-node. So first of all, we will write the value at the root node. Then we will start traversal of the left subtree in the same order. It is pre-order. The pre-order will be called again recursively with new root node, and that root node will be its left child. Then traversal the right subtree in the pre-order. Okay, so visit node, then left subtree, and then right subtree. So it is in this way you will be able to remind, I think. So this is node, left and right. Is it okay now? And LR.
यस सर. रूट को हम सर ऑपरेटर मान लेते हैं और लेफ्ट
अब
और राइट
देखिए,
को ऑपरेंड 1 ऑपरेंड 2.
now look at that tree. We will try to find out the pre-order of this particular tree. So can anybody help me out? Which node will be the first node to be written?
A.
A.
ए
B.
Very good.
बी
A.
सबसे पहले कौन सी नोड आएगी?
ए.
A. Because it is a pre-order traversal. So like suppose I need to start from root. That rule I know. So जिस node पे हूं मैं, वो node सबसे पहले लिखी जाएगी. So A. Now I need to move in which direction?
Left
B.
direction.
बी.
Left direction. So this subtree I need to access now. Now this becomes the root node. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस
sir.
सर.
So now for this subtree, I am starting with this root node B. So first of all, what will be the value to be printed?
B.
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 B. Then what?
D.
D.
D. Left part. Then what?
ई.
E.
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 देन सी.
Then
देन
C and then F.
Then C. Then F.
Then C
Then
and then
C.
I.
Then null. Then F.
No, null will not be there actually. Null will, we will not print the null. We will only print the values of the nodes. Okay. null नहीं print करेंगे बेटा, चाहे कोई सी भी value हो, चाहे वो
Sir,
useful हो.
whenever a null comes, we return only.
Definitely, we returns only.
Okay,
है
sir.
ना? So we will have something in the kind of algorithm. So this is the pre-order traversal of that particular tree. A, B, D, E, C, F. Is it okay?
ओके सर.
तो हमने देखो कहां से कहां ट्रेवल किया. लेफ्ट में सबसे पहले गए. लेफ्ट में कब स्टॉप किया हमने? जब हमारे पास इसका
E
लेफ्ट
तक.
चाइल्ड नल है, तब हम रिवर्ट होंगे और उसके हम राइट में जाएंगे. ठीक है. राइट भी जब नल हो गया, उसके बाद हम कहां जाएंगे वापस से? उसके राइट में. एंड देन इसका लेफ्ट है नहीं, तो हम इसके राइट में. इज इट ओके? सो इसकी जो एल्गोरिथम होगी वो क्या होगी? That node we have declared struct B node. B node is a binary node. Okay. Character data we have taken because it is A, B, C. So B node left and B node right. What does it means?
Left node and right node.
Left and right pointers.
Good. And we have also, I have also used a function that is pre-order function. Okay. In which what we are passing? Root node we are passing. Okay. So root node, if root node is null, what does it means?
There is no tree.
Very good. So it is a condition of
अंडरफ्लो.
very good.
Underflow empty tree.
Very good. So that you need to write. Like अभी भी देखिए आपने, मैंने यहाँ लिखी है condition. That is, this is what the validation actually. Okay. So this is underflow and I need to exit. If root is equals to null, and then we have to return, and it is underflow condition. Otherwise, what we need to do, first of all, we will print the data. The root data, whatever it is, like right now it is A, so A will be printed. And then pre-order will be root called again with some other node that is root of left. मैंने पहले बताया था आपको, अब नया प्री ऑर्डर कॉल होगा एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट सब ट्री विल बी बी. रूट क्या होगा उसका? बी. इज इट ओके? एंड देन वंस इट इज बीइंग कंप्लीटेड, देन द राइट नोड विल बी called with the same function. This is a recursive form of the pre-order traversal. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now coming on to the in-order traversal, that is L, N or R, left, node and
एक बार फिर
right.
से दिखाना सर, 1 मिनट एल्गोरिथम दिखाना सर। सर हम यहाँ पर कैरेक्टर वैल्यू प्रिंट करवा रहे हैं क्या?
ऊपर कैरेक्टर डिक्लेयर किया है मैंने डाटा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, इसमें सर इंटीजर भी। हाँ
So now left and right and left, then the node and then right subtree. Is it okay? Now tell me what will be the in order of this same tree?
B.
B D E then A C फिर F।
और कोई?
Sir,
D B
B
E
D
A.
A E C F
B के बाद क्या बोला आपने?
D
D
D
फिर E
A
फिर A
C।
रूट नोड फिर C फिर F।
वेरी गुड। और एनीवन एल्स? 2 लोग बोल चुके हैं, बार बार मत बोलिए आप लोग।
B is a D B E A F C.
ये कौन था?
Sir, Daksh.
दक्ष। दक्ष ने बहुत अच्छा स्टार्ट किया लेकिन लास्ट में आके गड़बड़ कर दी बेटा। वापस
Yes,
से।
I
और
think
कोई?
CF आएगा।
यस, सी आएगा। ओके, सो दक्ष प्लीज लेट अस नो हाउ इट इज। दक्ष बताएगा, फटाफट बताओ दक्ष।
So first of all, we start from the left, not the root tree,
Yes,
not the
so
yes,
left
sir.
node, first of all, what is the root node? That is A. So can
A.
we print it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then we will move on to left part.
Yes,
Can
sir.
we print
Again,
that
this is
node?
the root. Again, this is the root sub.
Yes, yes,
Because
which is the root,
we need to
root of
again
this
move to the
subtree.
left.
This subtree का root है वो। Then
Yes,
again I have to move on to this its left child. अब इसका कोई left child है क्या? नहीं है।
no.
So we can print that node now.
Yes, sir.
So D, yes, good. Then again, tell me what?
B, root,
B,
and then right.
then
E.
right. DBE. Then come on to which node?
Then come on to the root node.
A.
A.
Because now its left subtree has been completely accessed or traversed. So now left complete. Now A is there. Now,
Then right. It means C. And
yes,
after
C.
the right.
C because not C because yes, C because it does not have any left child.
Yes,
So
sir.
C
If
will be
it-
printed. Suppose
Yes.
यहाँ पर भी कुछ होता D या A K कुछ भी होता तो K हो
then
जाता
it will
पहले।
be printed first. Yes.
K C F होता। So K नहीं है तो हम प्रिंट नहीं करेंगे। C and then F. Is it okay now? Everyone else?
ओके सर।
No, sir.
क्या
Please
दिखाना है?
explain it again.
We are starting from where? Tell me.
Left.
No, we are starting with the root node always.
Yes, sir. After root node, we'll access the left subtree.
Yes. So the order देखिए सबसे पहले क्या है? Left subtree traverse होगा पहले पूरा. Okay. So A को हम अभी लिखेंगे नहीं. Okay. So हम उसके left subtree में आएंगे. That is BDE. Now left subtree again is a tree. So for that we need to again start the pre-order traversal. So आपने जब पहले इसका प्री ऑर्डर बताया था मुझे यहाँ पर, क्या था प्री ऑर्डर एबीसी का?
So पहले root node, then left subtree, then right subtree.
इन ऑर्डर की बात करें तो हम अभी इन ऑर्डर की बात कर रहे थे।
In order की बात करेंगे सर तो left subtree, then root node, then right subtree.
हाँ तो इसका क्या था? एबीसी का क्या है ऑर्डर? व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ इन ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस सबट्री?
BAC.
सो अब यदि इसमें इफ इट इज अ बीडी इज अ सब ट्री, तो व्हाट द इन ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस ट्री? BDE is a subtree, so in order of this subtree will be
DBE.
that's it. What is I have written over there? But you have told us ki it is BDE. So will it be correct?
No, sir.
Now you have got the point where you have mistaken.
Yes, sir. We are
Actually, at every subtree, we have to follow the same pre-order rules. Okay, we are starting with the root node. Okay, and that root node is the node, and it has two childs. two subtrees, even you can say. One is left subtree, one is right subtree. So you need to move into the left part first in an order case. So now this particular tree, that BD is its subtree, and now it is a tree that I need to access in pre-order form. So
Sir,
is tree
actually, we are assuming each subtree.
separately, you can say.
Yes, sir.
You can say it as, okay. So as now BD is a subtree, so it also needs to be accessed in the same order, pre-order. So इसका pre-order क्या होगा? DBE. So now A का left subtree has been accessed. Now it can, the root node can be accessed. So अब इस पूरे ट्री को आप मानिए कि x है ये. It is x. A x. और ये पूरा सब ट्री क्या है? y है. तो इसका प्री ऑर्डर क्या होगा? x और इन ऑर्डर
XAY.
x a y. अब x इज अ सब ट्री, तो इसका भी प्री ऑर्डर निकालना पड़ेगा आपको. इट विल बी DBE एंड y इज आल्सो अ सब ट्री, तो इसका प्री ऑर्डर निकालना पड़ेगा. इट विल बी CF. दैट्स इट. एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू आस्क? किसी को डाउट है कोई? बताइए.
Sir, if D and E also are having their subsequently subtrees, then
Yeah, very good. We will have some other examples also, don't worry.
okay, sir.
Suppose D has one more child over there. Let us suppose it is a K child. So what will be now changes in that?
D अब रूट नोड बन जाएगा.
Very
So
good. D
K
root node
will
बन
be
जाएगा.
the left child of the X tree.
Yes, definitely. So now DX will be a subtree, first subtree.
Yes,
इसका
sir.
इसका in order क्या है?
SD.
XD. No, sorry,
It is
DX.
KD. KD.
हाँ, sorry, KD.
It is KD, not DK. So ये हो गया KD. Okay. Now this is suppose X1. Okay. So X1 B का left child है. So X1 will be have traversed same, but rest is same actually. So is it clear now? But आप अपने like exams में you need not to make these naming for every subtree x x1 x2 xy1 y2 y3. ऐसा नहीं करना है हमको कभी भी. ठीक है? You need to learn
ये
how
तो
it is being like traversed.
अपने assume करना है.
So now this will be the recursive form of the in order traversal. Just go through it. If you have any doubt, you can ask. If root is null, then again I am returning it as an underflow condition. Now you see that what I have done is printing of data is in between the two in order calls. Is it okay? Printing of data is in between two in order calls. Compare it with the previous one. Printing is first and then two recursive calls are there because it is pre-order. So पहले printing होगी, फिर then दो pre-order call होंगे, one for left and one for right. Now in this case, as the root node will be printed in between because it is in order. So firstly in order will be called with left part, then printing is there, root node, and then in order will be called for the right part. Is it okay? That is very easy to remember. Done or not?
सर ये वाला पार्ट समझाना. in order root points to left.
In order is a function. Initially what we have passed over there root. Now in this calling what we are passing? Left of root. Left of root means
B.
B. That's it. Initially we have called it with A as A is a root. Now again I am calling it for B. So B इस सब ट्री के लिए कॉल किया हमने BD. फिर वापस से कॉल होगा ये किसके लिए? When recursive call will be there, then it will be called for D. And now for D, after D, the root node will be null. तो रिटर्न होगा ये. तो D प्रिंट करेगा फिर. And so on, it will be run.
ओके सर आ गया.
सर ये प्रिंट कैसे करेगा? मतलब ये तो रिटर्न हो गया ना फंक्शन.
फंक्शन तो रिटर्न तब हुआ जब नल वैल्यू है.
डी के बाद तो सर नल वैल्यू मिल जाएगी इसको.
यस. तो फिर आप बोल रहे हैं कि ये प्रिंट पे आएगा कैसे?
हाँ सर वो नहीं समझ आया।
Can anybody give me the answer of this question? यदि किसी ने दिया ना,
So like, sir, I can give the answer like when we call in order root left, then it goes into the function call stack, and when we finish the execution of that node, then it starts from that point only. Then it will print and call another one.
very good, very good. I appreciate. That is the use of stack actually. We have discussed this recursion में stack use होता है हमेशा. So as soon as the recursive call is being there, rest of the function, rest of the statements will be in the stack. ये पढ़ा था मैंने आपको बताया हुआ है, yes or no? And the one question was also there in the midterm, how function is being used in the function calling and returning. Sorry, stack is being used in function calling and returning. अभी समझ में आया दिव्यांशी? Have you got the answer?
सर थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन है अभी भी।
बच्चे जैसे इन ऑर्डर बी कॉल होगा तो प्रिंट ऑफ दैट बी विल बी होल्ड। नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या है? प्रिंट ऑफ बी। यस और नो?
यस सर।
इट विल बी इनटू द स्टैक नाउ। कहां होल्ड होगा? इट विल बी होल्ड इन द स्टैक, इन द स्टैक। तो स्टैक में कॉल होल्ड हो गया बी, ठीक है। वापस से इन ऑर्डर कॉल हो चुका है।
यस सर।
किसके लिए कॉल हुआ इन ऑर्डर वापस से? अब डी के लिए,
रूट राइट के लिए,
रूट लेफ्ट के लिए। बच्चे इन ऑर्डर रिकर्शन तो ऊपर ही कॉल हो गया ना। लाइक जैसे इन ऑर्डर रूट लेफ्ट कॉल हुआ, इट इज फॉर बी, okay, then next statement is print b, it will be holded, okay, and then what happens? Which statement will get executed?
अब सी के लिए होगा।
सी के लिए नहीं होगा बच्चे, डी के लिए होगा। इन ऑर्डर रूट लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट बी का लेफ्ट क्या है?
डी है ना, डी के लिए होगा, फिर ई के लिए होगा, फिर ए होल्ड हो जाएगा, वो बी आ जाएगा, फिर ए के लिए होल्ड हो जाएगा, फिर सी, सी रूट।
Okay, let me again explain. In order b कॉल हुआ,
सर योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर।
सबसे पहले इन ऑर्डर, yes, is it okay now?
यस सर।
ओके सर।
So now first of all it is called for the a root node, okay. We are checking if root is null. No, root is not null, so we are not returning. We are again calling in order with the root of left, that is b. So in order is again being called for b, but at the same time next instruction, address of the next statement will be hold into the stack, and that stack is printing of b, okay. That value is printing of b. Is it okay? Say yes or no?
ओके सर।
Okay, now in order b has been called, okay. So in order b again, so is b is null? No, b is not null. So again in order root left will be called, that now left is d, so b के बाद क्या कॉल हुआ यहाँ पर? d. Now next statement that needs to be hold into the stack is printing of d. now again root of left मतलब d का left कॉल हुआ है, so d का left क्या है यहाँ पर? whatever it is, d का left क्या होगा यहाँ पर? null. So if root is null, yes, and it returns. Now returning कहाँ होगी? Returning होगी आपकी यहाँ पर। Returning होती है आपकी जहां पर stack में top पर, whatever we have pushed into the stack, top value will be printed right now. तो सबसे पहले now print statement will run for what? D or B? D. It will be run for D. Now it will be popped. It will be popped. Then what happens? Again stack is not null, so B will be printed. Is it so or not? Tell me. अब समझ में आया कुछ आपको?
यस यस आ रहा है सर।
तो in this way
सर
stack
तो
is,
ये जब तक हमारा लेफ्ट सब ट्री ओवर नहीं हो जाता तब तक ये फंक्शन लेफ्ट वाले पे ही कॉल होगा, राइट पे नहीं
definitely
जाएगा।
हाँ नहीं जाएगा अभी।
और इसको स्टैक कंट्रोल कर रहा है कि वो राइट पे नहीं भेज रहा उसको।
डेफिनेटली जब भी आपका रिकर्शन कॉल होता है, आप एक लाइन ध्यान रखिए हमेशा, whenever the recursion calls, the address of next statement will be held by the stack. Why? Because whenever the function returns from where it needs to restart, it will given by that position of the stack. अभी समझ में आ गया आपको? Like whenever we have called in order B, so now after the execution of complete B in order B, कहाँ से restart करना है? It will be guided by the stack, because the address of this printf statement will be holded by the stack now. Similarly, suppose in next जब हम पढ़ेंगे post order, so now look at that part. Post order left has been called first, so next statement that will be into the stack is post order right, not print statement in that case. So before printing that value, we need to traverse the right part also in that case. Again, we will be recursively calling in this same. Is it okay now? Look, okay. What you will do, you just take your paper and pen and you just trace this algorithm through paper and pen once. I have explained you. I think I have explained 2 and 3 times now. So it must be pretty much clear to you what you need to do. So आप एक बार पेपर एंड पेंसिल लेकर के इसको ट्रेस करना पूरी एल्गोरिथम with the same example, with the same steps, and then if you will have any doubt, you will just come back to me.
सर इसका सिंपल आइडिया बताऊं मैं? इनके सब ट्री बना देंगे और सब ट्री में फिर चेक करेंगे कि रूट नोड है कि नहीं, उसको छोड़ देंगे.
Okay, very good. So is it okay now? Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Last one is pre-order traversal. Let us finish this pre-order traversal fast. Sorry, that pre-order we have already done. This is post-order actually. This is not pre-order. I have just copy and paste. Should I keep the changes or I have to discard this?
So keep the
सब बने
changes.
रहने दो.
So this is post-order traversal. Okay. That is pre, root left, right. This is in, left root right. This is post, left right now. So the same thing we have done in this, traversing of the left subtree first, then traversing of the right subtree, then lastly root node will be traversed. So now tell me what will be the post order of this particular tree. Ajay, you will tell me now. We have multiple Ajays. So any Ajay who is there or listening me can tell us. No one is there? Okay, we have also a multiple amans. कोई भी एक अमन बताए हमको.
So it will be like D, E, B, F, C, A.
Let me write first. D,
E,
E,
B,
D, B,
F,
F,
C,
C,
A.
A. Very good. Is it clear to all? Or if anyone has any doubt, you can ask. Everyone has cleared this thing?
रुको सर,
Yes,
एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट सर.
This subtree, that is D,
Yes sir, हो
E,
गया confirm.
B. This subtree, that is
F,
F, C,
C, फिर
and
A.
then finally A. So now look at that. I think now algorithm will also be clear to all. It is, first of all, I am accessing all the subtrees of left side, all the subtrees of right side, and then finally I am trying to access the root data root. Okay. As now D is not having any left and right child, it will be accessed directly. Is it okay?
Okay sir.
So now suppose D will have K as a right child, then what will be the output as post order?
It will be KD.
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 Or suppose it will have a K as a right child, then
तो वो राइट चाइल्ड जैसे कुछ मान लो P, P,
right
फिर
child is
Then
not
also
there,
it
only
will be
K,
same.
only left
KD.
child is there. then it will also remain same KD. So now look at that. I think all these traversals have been clear to you all. Look at that. One more interesting fact. In pre-order, which one is the first node?
Root node.
Root node. In post-order, which one is the last node?
Root node.
root node.
And in order, root node is neither at the first position and nor at the last position. It will be in between somewhere in the nodes. That is how you can identify what it is actually. It is a prefix, it is a postfix, or it is a infix also. By simply seeing that particular given traversal. एक ट्री दिया हुआ है, उसकी ट्रेवर्सल दी हुई है, आपको बताना है कि इन ऑर्डर, प्री ऑर्डर, पोस्ट ऑर्डर है, तो बता सकते हैं आप क्या है ये?
यस सर, बता सकते हैं.
प्री ऑर्डर है तो फर्स्ट नोड विल बी रूट, पोस्ट ऑर्डर है तो लास्ट नोड विल बी रूट, एंड इन ऑर्डर है तो रूट नोड विल बी समवेयर इन बिटवीन द traversal part. Is it okay now? Any doubt? कुछ और एग्जांपल मैंने लिए हैं आपके लिए. If you want to continue, you can continue. Just find out the in order of this node. In order, pre-order and post-order, both. First of all, in order. अपने अपने पेपर एंड पेंसिल पे करेंगे. आप सब लोग फटाफट करो. You just use your copy and pen.
एक मिनट.
or whatever the media you want. You need not to tell the answer. I will ask one by one. I think note it down.
स्लाइड दिखाना सर.
Do it fast. Done? Who can tell me the answer fast?
सर प्री ऑर्डर और इन ऑर्डर तो निकाल लिए सर.
अभिषेक, पराशर, Harsh Bansal.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me the in
Sir.
order.
Sir, in order, sir, H D I B E A F C G.
Just a minute. H D I
B E
B
A
A
F C G.
F C G. Very good. Is it okay to all? Is there any doubt to anyone?
नो सर. सर क्या है? HIDEBFGCA. It is right, sir? हाँ. CG.
Now same. Tell me what will be the pre-order. Who will tell me?
सर मैं बोलूं?
बेटा किसी और को ही बोलने देते हैं, 2 मिनट रुको। अंशुल आप बताओ।
Sir, I am doing, sir.
You are doing. So what you have done? In order, pre-order, post-order. Anyone else? Willingly do it fast.
May I, sir?
अमन औरों को पूछते हैं। अतिशय,
Yes, sir.
अतिशय tell us pre-order.
Sir, I am doing that.
You are doing very good. दीक्षांत, दर्शिता,
सर
बताइए बच्चे।
सर प्री ऑर्डर मीन्स लाइक दिस ए बी डी एच आई ई सी
Very
एफ
good.
टी
Very good. Very
एंड
good.
ऑर्डर पोस्ट ऑर्डर एच आई डी ई बी एफ जी सी ए
FCCA. ठीक है, correct. Is it okay to all?
ओके सर
Is it okay to all?
ओके सर।
I think आप लोगों के पास ये डायग्राम, आई विल शेयर दिस पीपीटी आल्सो, सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट कि आप लोग अपने आप भी करें, और यू जस्ट फाइंड आउट सम ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑन दैट थ्रू इंटरनेट or through some book, and try these pre-order, post-order, and in-order traversals of a tree. Okay, now we will learn that how we can make a tree with the help of the traversals. We will learn reverse actually in next class. Right now what we have seen is, we have seen about the traversals. We have given you the tree and we need to find the in-order, pre-order, and post-order. Now we will learn ki how a tree can be constructed through the traversals given to us. Okay, and mathematically how the expressions can be represented into the tree form, that we will be learning into the next lecture.
सर अब
Is it okay?
ट्रेवर्सल की जो लाइन है वो दे दी जाएगी, उससे ट्री क्रिएट करेंगे।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल भी ठीक है। So
ओके सर।
that is all for today. I am exiting. Let me take the attendance first. I have taken the attendance. Now if you have any question you can ask, and otherwise you can all leave the class. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सर।